Introducing the 2023 Skoda Kamiq STY 1.0 TSI 110 horsepower D SG 5-door in sleek grey. This hatchback is packed with top-of-the-line features to make every drive comfortable and convenient. From the air conditioning to the ambient lighting, this car has it all. Safety is a top priority with ABS, anti-collision system, lane departure warning, and more. You can trust in the security of this vehicle. But it's not just practical. The Skoda Kamiq STY also has stylish touches like chrome package, privacy glass, and roof rails. Rest assured, knowing this car has had a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Plus, it comes with a comprehensive warranty for added peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit our website, spiritskoda.ie, for more information on the 2023 Skoda Kamiq STY. Experience the luxury and performance for yourself today.